My name is Husnul Arfeen. I am working as a project manager in Enerture Technology Private Limited. Enerture Technology started in 2012 and they are basically working in solar field, in EPC project. We are working in ground mount project, floating project, rooftop project. We are also working as a developer. As a RESCO model, we are already commissioned 30 megawatt project, and in pipeline we are installing 50 megawatt project. We till now commissioned 400 megawatt project in ground mount also for different companies like HPCL, NLC, THDC, Cleantech, CCL, APGCL, GAIL, Rail, IIT Hyderabad, Enert, Crest and NLC. As a EPC, we are working with different PSUs like CCL, APGCL, TSDC, Enert, HPCL, IOCL. We are doing a floating project and ground mount project. For module supply, we are working with the IV Solar from 2020, and they are very good in support in technical clearance and all this. When any queries come from our client, they are very technically sound and good in response and good relationship with the clients also. And we have commissioned one project in 2024, Crest 1 megawatt with IV Solar, and the module is performing very well. And we are very satisfied with the IV Solar module and its product, very good and good performing till now. So basically, IV Solar, the response of the employees are very good. Even the technical team, procurement team, SCM team, they are very cooperative and they are very committed to their commitments, and they are technically also sound. They have good infrastructure for module manufacturing, and they have very developed lab also. And all employees, technical, non-tech, and all are very cooperative and good in supports in all respects. Enerture Technology is very satisfied with the professionalism of staffs of IV Solar, and they are very good and very supportive. The behavior of staffs are very good, where they are very prompt response in technical, and any query we are raising, they are promptly replying each and everything. IV Solar is very committed for their qualities and delivery timeline. So in coming future project in this financial year, we are till pipeline of ROX 500 megawatt project. So we are committed to give him 80 to 90% order to IV Solar because of their good response and good quality and professionalism. We also recommend IV Solar to our friends and other companies to go with the IV Solar module. It is good in quality and performance also. Enerture Technology Private Limited teams very thankful to IV Solar for their products, and we will continue further for more other projects also, and we say that IV Solar will grow more, shine more, work more.